Hi everyone, welcome back to another How to Draw. This week we're going to do a stocking. Alright everyone, now what we're going to do is we're going to make an oval-like shape. So let's begin. We're just going to go down, kind of keeping the line a little straight, and then making our way around. To meet. All right, and then we're going to do the same thing. Okay. So then next what we're going to do is we're going to add a rectangle, but not with straight points, just nice little curves instead of points. Right at the top up here, okay? Let's start. I'm going to clean up my lines a little bit. So after that, let's add a little point to our stockings. That way we have a nice little quiff. So remember that teardrop thing that we did the last time with the reindeer? We're going to do that same thing up here. Right for the toes. Give the toes a home. And while we're at it, why don't we erase these little lines that are inside, okay? All right, now we're looking like a sock, am I right? Okay, so after that, let's add our little details to the stocking. So here we're gonna add little triangles, okay? So you just go down and then up, down and then up, and we're just going to keep going on like that until the end of this. All right, awesome. And if you'd like, we can get started on erasing those right away. All right, it's looking good. Okay, we're gonna add, just to give it a little bit of a sock feel too, a nice little curve over here. You know, almost like those gym socks that you have, but you know. There we go. All right, so to make the little bear, if you would like as well, let's add 2 oval shapes here and a circle. Okay. We're just gonna erase this little mahinky, and then we're gonna add 2 teddy ears. So if you'd like to do the circles with me, feel free, but you only need to do half of a circle. So 1, then 2, and then let's bring out the eraser again, and then erase. Go. Okay. I'm just going to fix up my little arms here. Okay, last but not least, let's do a smiley face. So, circle, circle, and a little bear nose. Well, I made mine a big bear nose, but you can make a little bear nose if you'd like. And one big smiley face. All right. Ooh, let's add a couple little circles here. If you would like to. If not, that's okay too. you have fun with your stocking. And if you'd like, send this in